Welcome back. Jared with Team Montana here in Elkhart, Indiana. Give me a call. Number and information is down below. Nobody beats my deals. 20 miles from the factory. Small independent company. Price we quote plus $100. That's it. We don't play the game. This Montana 385 bonus room is equipped with the Cummins Onan 5500 generator, straight from the factory. It also has the slide toppers on each slide, so it'll keep debris and the sun from hitting down and making a mess. This is your outside pass-through storage. You know, this one is a 385, not the 384, so it has the 2000 watt inverter right there with 5 dedicated outlets off of that inverter. You've got the beautiful outside kitchen, so you've got the nice double burner grill stove thing. You've got a mini fridge. Nice, look at this, custom Montana cutting board. That is totally worth the money right there. Then you also got some storage up above. Excuse me, a little windy today. So this does have 2 awnings, as you can see, one on the slide, then one over your main campsite. Outside speakers. This is a 4 Seasons coach that you can see. You can, fact check me that I'm not lying. It is a 4 Seasons coach. That's right. It has a rubberized road armor system by Lippert Components, so that's going to absorb 33% of the vibration in the trailer. So that's huge. That's going to keep all those screws from vibrating loose 10 years from now. Up on the back, we've got an outside shower. It's going to have both hot and cold water and a 3,000-pound towing hitch. Up on the top, you see this little black piece right there. That is going to be your backup camera prep. It's 2 screws, pop the cover off, and you can slap in the Furrion camera system. Again, this is the bonus room. That's that little room you see right there in the middle. And then above it, it's got a loft with another bedroom. So that's pretty sweet. 12-gallon water heater, 35,000 BTU furnace. It's going to do an excellent job. In here is just going to be more of your wet bay area. I won't bore you with all the details. Again, 30-pound tanks. You've got 2 on each side. Automatic leveling system. It is electric, but it's still 6-point. So this thing's going to be as firm as a house. It's going to be a good setup for you. And then up on the pin box, we've got the same road armor suspension that is on your main suspension system, just it's on the pin box, so it's going to absorb all of that pressure basically that you could feel in your back when you're traveling. So it's going to absorb that. LED lights, you've got the 2 on the bottom here and then 1 up across the top, so it's going to be beautiful at the campground in the evening hours. Be proud of this Montana name. It's a very well built, very high reputation type of trailer. These steps are 0 gravity, so they have a built-in strut that you can see right here. So this just assists in lifting this. Wow, that's loud. That assists with helping you raise those steps up and down. Again, this one is for sale. It's on my lot. It's ready to rock and roll. We'll be closed for Christmas and New Year's, but you got my cell phone number and all the details below. Give me a call. Let's make it yours. So this cabinetry color is called Mystic Ash that you see. It is ash wood. It is a very light color. Still have all the full natural wood details to it. This sofa and theater seat though is what you call graphite. So graphite and Homestead are very similar in how they look. Pretty much the same darkness, I guess you'd say, just different tones. So this is more gray, kind of a slate like graphite. The other one is called Homestead. So it's like being on a farm, you've got your homestead, your roots, it's brown, more natural. Either way, same type of furniture. It's Thomas Paine powered recliners, very comfortable stuff. This is a trifold sofa. So technically this camper could sleep 2, 4, this could sleep 8 people. That's impressive. This is an upgraded freestanding chairs. Standard is a booth dinette. However, most people don't want the booth. So we just order it with the freestanding chairs. We can order anything you want. So just give me a call. Let's talk details. Big windows. They are all tinted. They have roller blackout shades in the side valances. So it's going to keep all the light from coming in. These are not a frameless window. They are a framed window. So as you can see, this is all screened. So when you slide that piece of glass over, you're going to have a huge amount of air volume running throughout here if you choose to do so. You can upgrade to dual pane windows, which give you a frameless looking window, which would be actually just like this Montana 3855 that's next to us. So you don't see the rubber gasket that's on the outside of that window frame. Sorry, I'm sure you're tired of seeing my finger in the picture. They do come with TVs. This is, I believe it's a 45-inch, something like that. We just take those out for security. Down below it is your speakers, and it does have a radio that comes with it as well. You've got the fireplace down below, which changes colors, does all kind of cool tricks. But it does work. That's the big thing. It puts out 7,500 BTUs or something like that. So it does a really good job, you know, a day like today where it's chilly, but it's not cold. You know, it's going to knock off the edge, so to speak. So this is fairly new. Sorry, I'm adjusting the lighting a little bit. Fairly new lighting or colors in here that they came out with. It was around the summertime, so they've done away with the barn style look and gone to a modern appearance to it. So since this is a little bit smaller of an island, they gave you this beautiful solid surface flip top. Still an 80-20 sync with the residential style sprayer. Ta-da! Then over here you've got your triple burner stove on top of your oven, 22-inch oven, so there's plenty of space there to cook a 12-pound turkey. I saw a bunch of you guys on Facebook cooking turkeys in your Montanas, which is awesome to see. Then you've got the 30-inch microwave. It is not convection, but it's huge. It's the biggest one that they offer in an RV. So again, you could heat up turkey probably if you wanted to. I don't know. Let me know what you do. So 385, so it refers to residential. 384 is going to be the RV fridge, which not only is it different looking, it's smaller. So this is 18 cubic feet because it's residential, has ice maker, water filtration system, and a built-in water, or whatever. I got that backwards. But the 384 is going to be a 13 cubic foot instead of the 18. And it does not have those three features of the ice maker, the water spigot, and the filtration system. So instead of me just pointing and you using your imagination, why don't I show you? So here's your water spigot. So you can fill up your water jug, your cup, any kind of thing that you want to. And then in here is your built-in water filter. So again, a true residential style. You have a filtration system built in, which is huge. Montana doesn't offer anything in your wet bay. So it's nice to have something in here internally to just take the junk out. You got your nice pantry with the LED light inside. Plenty of storage space in here. Really, you could fit a lot of stuff in there, and that goes all the way up. That's pretty far up there. I don't know what you would put in there that's that tall, but so there's nothing here. Just a bunch of storage, beautiful looking power outlets, so you can do whatever you want to do there. Stepping over into your bonus room, right when you walk in, I pointed this out in the last video, but I love it because it's very efficient. Right when you step into the coach, all your controls are right here. Run your slides, awnings, lights, fan, tank heaters. And again, this one is equipped with a generator. So here's your generator control. Solar hookup if you choose to add. Everything is right there. So this is new that they just started putting in here. So some of the models on my lot aren't going to have this exact system. It's just a different display. All of your controls for your inverter are right here. Some of the other ones just have a toggle switch that you can turn the inverter on and off, but this one actually gives you full control. So you can, you know, see exactly what your battery output is, yada, yada, yada. All right, TV prep. So if you want to add a computer screen over here, or you know, even put a TV in here and be this little getaway room. Shout out to Jocko Travels. Check them out on Instagram. That's Joko Travels on Instagram. I think they're on YouTube as well, but they bought one identical to this. It's been a couple months now, but with the generator and everything, and they're pipeline workers, and they just travel in this rig full time. So it's super cool to see people use these things in real life experiences, other than, you know, me just telling you on a video. So check them out. And yeah, let's check out this bathroom. So you do have, again, the residential style fiberglass one-piece shower, no maintenance. all kinds of storage here. Nice big sink, actually. Nice oblong sink instead of a square, so it doesn't look like you're in an airplane bathroom. Excuse me. So this is an upgrade option on a Montana High Country to have that bigger fan put in. Otherwise, it's just your traditional like 3-inch fan that just makes noise. Ton of storage space here. Plenty of room to put some towels. Same with up here. Just lots of room overall. You've got a true residential porcelain toilet. And check it out. It even has a little heater next to you to keep your tushy warm. Love it. Okay, king-sized bed. This is a memory foam mattress, so it's actually pretty comfortable. When you're on the lot, it might not seem like it's that comfortable because 1, right now it's kind of cold out, so it's firm. 2, there's a liner of plastic on it, so it's naturally just going to be firm, but it's pretty comfortable. I'm impressed. For an RV mattress, it's very sufficient. Got your wardrobe. No TV in this Montana High Country. Actually, no Montana High Country comes with the TV in the bedroom, but it is prepped, so all the wiring, the backer is there, so you can easily add in TV. So the Montana High Country, you get the second air conditioner. It's not whisper quiet, but it's not that loud. So it's just enough to maybe kind of soothe you to sleep, like a white noise. But it is a direct dump and it's ducted too, so it's going to actually do a really good job at getting this room to temperature and maintaining temperature. So this is your closet that is washer and dryer prepped. If you choose to add that, you can easily do so. Then you got this big window. It's your fire exit, so you can jump out this if you have to. When there's a fire. So there you have it. Again, my name is Jared with Team Montana. I am Team Montana. I just love bringing you this product and presenting it to you, and I take pride in knowing everything that I can. So give me a call. I love talking to you guys, and most importantly, I love seeing you guys get into one of these Montanas and just having a blast. You know, social media is a powerful tool where we can always interact even after the sale. So I love to do that. So give me a call. Information's down below. Text, email, anything. Look forward to working with you guys.